Weird animals on Earth. Pink Fairy Armadillo. Pink Fairy Armadillos are the tiniest armadillos in the world. Only about 10 to 15 centimeters long. That's shorter than a regular smartphone. They don't just dig tunnels. They swim through sand using powerful claws. Unlike other armadillos, their pink shell is thin and bendy, helping them move fast underground. Their shell is pink because of blood vessels visible through it, like natural heating pads. It helps regulate body temperature in the cold desert nights. They are nocturnal and extremely shy. Their giant front claws look bigger than their head. Perfect tools for burrowing their home in just minutes. When threatened, they dig straight down and vanish. They store fat in their tail. Their tail works like a food battery. They only eat tiny critters. They are considered near threatened and disappearing fast due to habitat loss and predators. Deep in the rainforests of Madagascar lives one of the world's strangest, spookiest, and most misunderstood animals. The real-life gremlin of the night. The is the world's largest nocturnal primate. Tap on wood up to 8 times per second to locate hollows and detect insects inside. Those glowing yellow eyes help it see perfectly in pitch darkness. The long middle finger acts like a straw to scoop nectar, sap, insects, and even honey. Scientists rediscovered it in the 1950s and again in the 1980s after it disappeared from records. They start off with soft gray fur and grow darker and scruffier as they mature. Eyes rarely touch the ground. They travel through the treetops all night long. They are solitary, silent, and almost fully nocturnal, making them one of the hardest lemurs to film in the wild. Eyes swivel their ears to pinpoint the faintest sounds of hidden insects. But they communicate by scent marking and sometimes share trees without meeting. Eyes use percussive foraging, considered a type of tool-like behavior without actual tools. Scientists discovered they emit a mysterious blue glow under ultraviolet light. They can travel 4 kilometers every night, searching for food. They're protected by Madagascar laws, but still in danger. Their name, has a mystery origin. The look like a mysterious creature, but it's one of nature's most incredible problem solvers, engineers, and survivors. Understanding it could help protect Madagascar's fragile ecosystems. Pangolin. Have you ever seen an animal covered in scales like a reptile, but actually a mammal? Meet the pangolin, one of the most unique creatures on Earth. Pangolins are the only mammals in the world covered entirely with scales, made of keratin, the same material as our nails and hair. These scales protect them like natural armor, keeping predators at bay. When threatened, a pangolin rolls up into a tight ball, making it nearly impossible for predators to bite or harm it. Even lions can't get through that shield of scales. There are 8 species of pangolins found across Asia and Africa. Pangolins are nature's pest controllers. They have no teeth but use their long, sticky tongues to scoop up ants and termites. A single pangolin can eat up to 70 million insects per year. Their tongue is so long that it's attached near their pelvis, not their mouth. When they retract it, it rolls up into their chest cavity. Pangolins are nocturnal creatures. They spend their nights searching for insects and their days sleeping safely in burrows or hollow trees. A baby pangolin, called a pangapup, rides on its mother's tail as she walks around. It's one of the cutest sights in the wild. Pangolins are strong diggers. They use their sharp claws to tear open termite mounds or dig deep burrows for safety and rest. Today, pangolins have become a symbol of wildlife conservation, representing the urgent need to protect endangered species. The pangolin may look strange, but it plays a vital role in keeping ecosystems healthy. By protecting them, we're helping nature stay in balance. Let's spread awareness and give these gentle creatures the protection they deserve. Axolotl. They stay in their juvenile form their whole lives, even as adults. Axolotls can regrow limbs, tail, spinal cord, heart tissue, and even parts of their brain without scarring. Single axolotl can regenerate the same limb dozens of times, and every new limb is perfectly formed. Their upward curved mouth makes them look like they are always smiling. Axolotls can breathe through gills, lungs, and their skin. Wild axolotls exist naturally only in Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City. They can detect electricity in water. They come in more than 20 color variations. They suck prey into their mouth like a vacuum. Axolotls prefer cold water. They don't have eyelids, which gives them that adorable, wide-eyed, innocent look. They can live more than 15 years. Their external gills look like fluffy red trees waving in the water. Axolotl teeth are tiny and hidden. They look toothless, but aren't. They don't like bright light, and are more active in dim water. Some axolotls turn fully white. They are one of the world's most studied animals. Leafy Sea Dragon. Imagine a creature so well camouflaged that it looks like a drifting piece of seaweed, but it's actually a dragon. Meet the Leafy Sea Dragon. The Leafy Sea Dragon may look like a floating plant, but it's actually a close relative of the seahorse and pipefish. Those leafy wings aren't for swimming, they're camouflage. They glide slowly, pushed mostly by ocean currents. Males carries the eggs until they hatch. They move their eyes independently. One eye can look forward, while the other searches for food or danger. No teeth, no stomach. They suck in tiny shrimp and plankton through a straw-like mouth. These shy dragons stay in one small area their whole life. They are found only in the cool waters of southern and western Australia. They look straight out of a fairy tale. The ocean hides some of the world's most unbelievable creatures. And the Leafy Sea Dragon is one of nature's greatest masterpieces. From the tiny Pink Fairy Armadillo burrowing beneath the sands, to the mysterious eye tapping through the night. From the armor-plated pangolin, nature's real-life dragon, to the magical axolotl that never grows up, and the underwater, leaf-covered wonder, the Leafy Sea Dragon. Our planet is full of incredible creatures. Strange, beautiful, and rare. Let's protect them before they disappear forever. Which one amazed you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild wonders.